to Cosmopolitan Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama, Bougie Vintage, and today's video is BOE'S Bakery. Can I help you?
Favorite new mama?
Yeah.
It's been a year.
New mama and new mama to be? What's your problem? It's been a year. He needs to mind his business and the people at home need to mind their damn business. I'm new mom, okay? Today we are going to be making Rice Krispie treats or Rice Krispie squares, whatever you call them. And we might make some Froot Loop squares as well. Ingredients: butter. Marshmallows.
No name.
Listen.
Selection.
They don't sell.
No name and selection.
They only sell one brand of marshmallows. So don't. What,
Stop,
the Jet Puff
nice
ones?
one, yeah.
They're fucking. They were the Jet. Those ones are cheaper than this one and less. That's why I bought this. Okay, don't come for me. Whenever I show ingredients on the channel, it's always name brand. So don't even try me. Obviously, your cereal. And that's it. Okay. Oh, vanilla. And of course, some vanilla. Vanilla is optional. You're gonna need 5 tablespoons of butter. Pull up with the stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons. And I actually already made marshmallow dream bars on my other channel a long time ago, but I didn't put it on my main channel. And I wanted to redo it because I'm craving them. So you want to turn your stove on. I have mine on 6. You don't want it to be too hot. You just want to melt the butter and then to be able to melt the marshmallows. You're going to need 8 cups of marshmallows. So I actually have the big ones and the little ones. You need 8 cups of marshmallows, and you're also going to need another 2 cups to put inside of your squares. Sizzle, sizzle, bitch. So I have my stove now that it's heated. I have it on 2 instead of 6. We just needed it on 6 to get it hot in the pot. And now we are melting our butter. It's melting fairly quickly. Once all the butter is melted, I'm going to add in the marshmallows. The smaller marshmallows I find are easier to melt. But I still got the big ones. Alright. So that's 4 cups of marshmallows.
You definitely should slow mode that from high.
No damn slow mo, babe. Just trying to make my fucking pregnancy snack and go about my life.
These are not marshmallow dream bars.
What do you mean?
I don't want Starbucks to sue us.
Starbucks can't see nobody. So once your marshmallows are in there, you're going to stir about and get everything coated up in the butter and melted nice.
You can't stop stirring, or the marshmallows gonna burn.
Another smart thing to do that people don't do, which I didn't even do. I don't know if I like this angle, so just keep it in the pot. Okay. Let me see. Oh,
Real beautiful.
I look freaking pale as shit. Another smart thing that you can do when you're making your marshmallow dream bars or your Rice Krispie squares is to spray the entire sides of the pot with cooking spray so that you don't get a lot of stickiness, because you will definitely run into that, especially when you start to throw your Rice Krispies in there.
Did you do that?
I said no. I did not. I just thought of it when I was doing this. I'm like, oh shit. You should spray the sides. It's a whole lot of marshmallows. And this is why it's better to use the small ones, because all the small ones I put in here, they're already melted. The big ones take friggin' forever. And you can't really like turn it up. Most people wait until the marshmallows are melted before they put their vanilla in, but I'm not going to. I'm going to add it right now and get it mixed in. No measurement, just free in the eyeball. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much or you might get drunk, you know?
Yeah, because the heat's never high enough to cook the alcohol out.
Hey, look at these.
You guys want to zoom in on those? You get in there like somewhere. Ooh.
getting tired. This is about as melted as we're gonna get today, honey.
No, you gotta go all the way.
All the way?
All the way up.
Well, I'm gonna just keep stirring then. They do offer vegan marshmallows, but bitch, I ain't vegan. So, you know. I'm gonna add a little bit more vanilla, just a teensy weensy amount. Stir that in. Can't believe a lady was drinking vanilla. Trying to get it popping. Okay, and then you're gonna need 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Stir it. This was only 4 cups, so I gotta get another 2 cups in here. Oh shit! What the hell happened?
Your mom. trying to catch a lamp.
Yeah.
Smack the water.
A lamp?
Yeah, the lamp right behind you.
Oh, my legs.
Yeah, the lamp. You should just plug this in the corner over there in the living room.
Oh, no.
They're just gonna use that on 90% of the time anyway.
They're not. So once you start stirring like this is when you're gonna add your extra 2 cups of marshmallows, because you want them to stay full. You don't want them to really melt in there. Don't stop. Look, the spatula's gonna break.
That looks so sexy on camera.
Oh yeah. You should taste it. Here for the cameraman. Some pigtails.
Pigfoot.
Alright.
This is gonna be a thumbnail right here.
Okay, removed from heat. Should have been removed from heat from before. Okay, so if you don't have like a disposable tin, you're gonna use a regular tin plus some foil paper inside and some non-stick spray. And you're.
Why don't you use that big Pyrex?
Now I'm gonna transfer my lovely Rice Krispie treats into my pan that is non-stick, because who is trying to scrape this out, you know, after a couple days?
Breathing like you're playing a game of football right now.
Babe, I'm pregnant. What is your point? I should have just put some damn gloves on and sprayed my gloves and dug the shit out. Ow! Freaking hell! That's what's left in my pot. So good. Now you're gonna use your hands. You're gonna flatten this. Oh my god. You gotta make sure it's even. I'm gonna spray my hands with cooking spray. Because I don't want the Rice Krispies to stick. And I'm just gonna press and flatten, but you don't want to, you want to make sure it's even, but you don't want to flatten too much or press too much, because that's when your Rice Krispies are going to be tough and hard, especially if you don't seal them properly. When the time comes.
When Babalan come around.
Why are you singing about Babalan? What do you even know about the Babalan?
What do you know about the Babalan?
Okay, and then they're pretty much good to go. So you don't want to cut your Rice Krispies until they are officially cool. They don't take long to cool. If you want, you can even put them on your balcony, but girl, it's -20, so we're not gonna do that. So this is
Rice Krispie popsicles.
yeah, disgusting. Those marshmallows took long to melt. Is your rice done? Or should I do the
It'll be in
Froot
like 10
Loops?
minutes.
Now we're gonna move on to Froot Loop Dream Bars. I think this is disgusting, but I'm gonna make them anyway. Okay, so I'm not gonna make it the traditional way that is probably posted on the internet. I'm going to pour my Froot Loops into this bowl here. We don't really eat cereal anymore because we don't really drink milk, so. And I'm gonna crush them using this bamboo stick. It's not really working.
What's working?
Are you getting? Are you in the bowl or what?
Yeah, I'm all up in the bowl. You want me all the way in the bowl?
Well, you're kind of far. The camera's really far.
Oh.
Honestly, it's probably easier to crush these with my hands.
So get them in your hands.
Like Salem. No, that's not working either. This is a man's job. Why didn't I just put them in the Ninja? Would that work?
That'd be too
powdery?
Too powdery.
Well, this sucks.
Let me get in there and help you.
Yeah, please. Fireworks or something. Where's the... Oh, here. Using that one, we could be rolling for real. Here, roll them out.
No, that's not it. But it's more airy.
Way less. I didn't even measure it, you guys. I didn't measure the butter and I didn't measure the marshmallows. It smells so good. I love the smell of Froot Loops. You can turn the heat off. And I'm gonna pour my crushed Froot Loops up in here. Lots of powder.
Yeah, that's alright.
Okay, not that much powder. I don't want that in there. And mix and mix. Give me some of the full Froot Loops. The bag's behind you. What are you doing, babe? Like, seriously, they're bouncing out.
Magic. It's okay.
I need more than that. This is too much marshmallow. Gross. All the crumbs made the
Marshmallow's a different color.
No, not that. It made the consistency change, so it's not even sticking together.
What I was saying, I was literally gonna put in time and effort.
Who has time and effort for that?
Do one.
No.
It would have been so pretty.
That's basically it for my Rice Krispie and Froot Loop square bar video. I'll be back. Me and Salem will be back to try them once they cool.